Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Meta, in partnership with Balenciaga, Prada, and Thom Browne, launches digital fashion store. Binance will replace its payment partner in Brazil to provide better user experience. Sweden appoints Bitcoin skeptic Erik Thedéen as new central bank governor. Binance CEO predicts crypto winter will continue. The FBI warns of cryptocurrency scammers on LinkedIn. Now let's dive into the details. Meta, in partnership with Balenciaga, Prada, and Thom Browne, launches digital fashion store. On June 17, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg discussed with Eva Chen, Instagram's fashion director, and confirmed the partnership with three major fashion brands to open iconic avatars, Balenciaga, Prada, and Thom Browne. During the live session, Zuckerberg emphasized that, "I'm grateful and proud of the brands partnering with us to launch fashion in the metaverse. Items sold in the avatar store range from $2.99 to $8.99. Currently, Meta offers more than 100 sets of free avatar wings on the platform and supports many forms of payment." Binance will replace its payment partner in Brazil to provide better user experience. Binance announced in a blog post on Friday that it will switch from its existing payments partner in Brazil to give a better solution for customers. It'll replace Capitual with a local payment provider that will be revealed soon. Users can make deposits and withdrawals using the platform's P2P system, and for direct purchases of cryptocurrency, PIX and bank transfers are accessible through an alternate supplier, according to the company. For withdrawals, there's also a Sell to card option for Visa, and users can contact Binance support or chat if they have any questions. Sweden appoints Bitcoin skeptic Erik Thedéen as new central bank governor. Thedéen, who is the Director General of Sweden's Financial Supervisory Authority, takes over for Stefan Ingves, who has led the bank since 2006. The former Ministry of Finance official and CEO of the Stockholm Stock Exchange will start on January 1st and attend the February 2023 monetary policy meeting. Thedéen will be in office for 6 years. The central bank's general counsel said in a statement, "Thedéen's experience in managing financial authorities and organizations makes him well suited to become the new governor of the Riksbank." The appointment of Thedéen has been regarded with skepticism in the crypto industry. Binance CEO predicts crypto winter will continue. In a chat with Fortune magazine, Mr. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, he shared his thoughts on the current market landscape. He expects the crypto winter to last a few more years. Although many projects are facing the risk of default and mass closures are happening, the CEO of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange still wants to focus on the positives. "I'm not debating that it is disastrous. It is bad. But when the disaster is happening, there's also opportunity." The FBI warns of cryptocurrency scammers on LinkedIn. FBI agent Reagan told CNBC in an interview that he believed LinkedIn has an issue with investment frauds. He said, "This type of fraudulent activity is significant. There are many potential victims, and there are many past and current victims." The Microsoft-owned social network boasts 830 million users from over 200 countries. Because these scammers are not lazy, they may appear highly convincing. LinkedIn places an emphasis on business news and connections, which may provide users a false sense of security in the face of typical romance and internet frauds. According to the CNBC report, false accounts frequently pretend to be affiliated with actual and successful businesses or to represent people with entrepreneurial spirit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.